pick him up and show me that fish. Oh my gosh! Make it so I can see him. I can only see his belly. Oh yeah! Big fishy, big fishy, big fishy, big fishy. Gotta let him go.
No, you don't.
Look at that one, Dad. Woo! All right, today on Outdoors with Randy, Tanner, and Dado / Bank Robber Mangum, we're out at Strawberry Reservoir trying to pick up on some of the pre-ice action. They said it's pretty hot. I'm trying something new here. There's been reports of these tubers tipped with a little bit of a night crawler, working pretty well out here. So what I'm doing is trying something new. Got the white tuber. Whoa, Tan. Hold that for me. White tuber tipped with a little night crawler to about 2 feet of leader. Then you got your bobber half filled with water so that it'll float. We'll see how it works, see how it floats, see what kind of action we get. We're gonna catch some fish, Tanner. I guess Dad's gonna catch all the fish, huh?
Yeah, Tanner doesn't know how to catch fish.
There we go. All right, let's give it a shot. Open the bell.
I know.
There you go. That was a good cast, man. Okay, don't reel him in too fast. What you got on there, bud? Cutthroat? Yeah, buddy. Look at that sucker. Okay, don't reel in. Just lift your tip up. Hey, you caught one before Grandpa. Look at that hog. Woo! Holy smokes, look at that sucker. Pick that thing up. Oh, buddy.
What is he?
He's a cutthroat. Holy, look at this thing, Dad. That is a big hog.
I thought you could keep cutthroats.
No. Here. Just look at me, bud. What do you think, man? Holy smokes. He swallowed that tuber just like it was power bait. Hold him up for me and then you can let him go. Hold him up. Thanks. Holy smokes, dude. Hold. That is a big fish.
A beauty.
All right, bud.
Put him back in the water, dude.
Okay, let's see him. Yeah. Okay, let's put him back before he gets too shocked. That seemed to work.
Grandpa!
Here, go help Tanner.
Wasn't going to go over there now.
Yeah, Dad, help Tanner so he doesn't lose this one.
Bring it in, dude.
It's a bow.
Lift the rod up.
Lift the tip.
You do it.
No, you do it.
Let's go.
Okay, just lift your tip up, bud.
Slow it down.
Can you eat bows?
Yeah, that's the best. Oh, that's a...
Grandpa, I need help now.
I think you can do it. That's another cutthroat.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Look at that one, dude.
So good.
Yeah.
Pick that sucker up,
I
man.
thought you said it was a bow.
It looked like it from out there.
Looks like a rainbow.
Look at that sucker, dude. That is, look at me. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, look at that sucker.
Oh, not so fast, not so fast. What is this, man? You're ripping it up. Tip up, tip up. Not so hard, don't reel so hard. Ooh, oh, that's a rainbow, Tan.
It is?
Yeah.
I better be careful then.
Well, I can't tell. Maybe it's another cut. Ooh, it is a rainbow. Tan, don't pull so hard. Bring it my way. Bring your tip my way. Ah, not around that rock. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, another cutthroat again.
Look at that guy. Way to go, Mr. Tan.
Now, those are some good cuts you're catching, dude.
We just need to catch the big mama now. Turn it around. There you go.
fine.
What do you think, dude?
I can't get away from here.
You glad you came up here?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Luckily, I thought of the idea.
Oh.
I'll get the net.
Slow down. Slow down, Tan. Dude, that one was all you again. Man, he's nailing these cutthroats like crazy, Dad.
That's a bigger one, huh?
That thing is huge.
Okay, stop.
Slow down, Tan. Stop. Stop. Okay. Oh my gosh, that one barely fits in the net, dude.
Is it 22 inches?
Oh man, look at that bad boy. He's 21.
Can we please keep him? It's
Oh.
just 1 inch left.
Oh, so close, dude. Holy smokes, Tanner. You know what you're doing. What do you got on the end of that pole this time, bud?
I think this is a power bait.
No, I'm saying, what kind of fish? There's no power bait on there. That thing is huge.
Oh my God.
Don't keep reeling when he's pulling like that. Lift your rod up. There you go.
Bring him up to the surface. Man, Tan.
Whoa, he's
Oh.
making me tip over a
Hang
little.
on a second.
That thing is huge, dude.
Okay, lift up your rod.
There. Oh, I just saw that thing surface. It looks like Jaws. Woo.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
Who's Jaws?
The biggest shark ever. Look at that thing. Just look at it. Lift that tip up. Yeah.
Oh.
Don't let go of the fishing
Run.
pole.
Don't reel. Don't do that. Don't play. You'll end up losing him.
I'm not playing.
Bring him over here. Bring your tip.
Tip up. That's the way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and guess what? That's an eater right there, dude.
Here?
That is.
Oh my god. That's a 22-inch rainbow, dude.
Oh my god, that's huge.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah.
look at that thing, man.
Way to go.
That thing is a pig. Pick that thing up, dude. Pick it up.
That's a rainbow deluxe.
That thing is huge. That's your biggest one today.
That's going to feed your whole
he's
family.
fat. Look
Oh, he smokes, dude.
Oh my, he is. Oh my
Gosh. Give him a kiss.
No.
What do you think, dude? I can't even see him. He's so big. You got him under your armpit like a football. Man, that is a hog,
Way
dude.
to go, dude. Look at that. Yeah.
Tell me what it is that's allowing you to catch so many fish in one day. What are you doing? What's the secret?
Nothing.
Nothing. Tell me what you're doing.
Sitting here.
So that's the trick. Sitting here. You heard it from Tanner Mangum. That's the key. How many fish have you caught?
About 5.
I think more than that, but we'll see. I thought it was at 7. So the method's working pretty good, actually. We're just letting it drift, bringing it in slowly, and having some good success, keeping it off the bottom. So just barely we had 4 on consecutively, one after another. That's not too bad.
Where you was. Yeah, get down there.
Don't fall in. Jeez, Dan. Oh my gosh, don't miss that one. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Get it, buddy.
You got him?
Woo! That's a hog, man. Oh. No, that's a huge cutthroat, though. Holy smokes, buddy.
Way to go.
Oh my gosh.
What's that?
All right, so it looks like we've got the right poison for the job today. These white tube jigs floating about 3 feet under the surface with a half a night crawler on
Tanner?
have been the magic. While I'm baiting up this one, looks like old man's got another one rocking down the shore. Can't keep them off these lines. Bad thing is that these cutthroats are so hungry right now, they're swallowing these worms way too deep. So Here we go. Come on, buddy. Oh, look at that. Is it another Jaws? Not so much pressure. If you have to put it under your armpit, that's too much pressure. Oh, what do you think, dude? This ain't no fun, catching fish instead of just fishing. This is why we came up here. They said the fishing was hot.
Lift it up. There you go.
Oh. See, when you have it up in the air like this, Tan, and he runs, you just put the tip down like that, and then lift it back up. Tan, stop. Lift. Oh.
You don't like that line again.
Yeah. See how you let it down when they run? There you go. Keep it up in the air. Ooh, let him go. Okay, bring him in. Bring him in.
Lift it up. Don't reel. Just lift it up. Over here.
Yep, you gotta, here, reel it in a little more. All right, there we go. Bring him in. Perfect, Tan.
Is he a rainbow?
Look at that!
He's a rainbow!
No, that is a football though. That thing is so big. What do you think, dude?
2 inches?
Ooh, he's another
So.
not 20 incher probably.
20 inches though.
Jeez, you need those forceps again.
I think probably so.
Well, the fishing's been pretty hot. We haven't been able to keep them off the line. Seems like as soon as we throw them out, as you can see here, you start getting the hit. We found a, here Dad, you want to take this, are you getting a hit too? We both got hits going right now, so I'll set down the camera and try to catch this fish. Nice, Tan.
Where's he at?
He's a big sucker. Just he's gonna go tangle himself up in all the other lines. Lift your tip up. Not so much pressure. What do you think about that?
Get off.
You get him, bud. Oh, it's a beast.
Somebody's line. Lift this rod up here.
Okay.
He's a big guy.
Pull up, Tan. Just don't reel while you're lifting up. You acting like that sucker's a whale. I know.
He might be a rainbow.
Looks like a cutthroat again. That's a good one though. There you go. Oh, look at that beaut, dude.
Crazy critter.
That thing is another
What is he?
monster.
Another 20 incher.
Yeah. I wonder what's better for the fish, to leave it in there or to...
They say it is.
Oh, look at how much healthier he is.
Yeah.
Good job, Tan. Yeah, I think you're learning how to reel in some monster fish.
Woo, yeah.
What do you got, Tan? I think this is like the millionth fish you've reeled in today. Slow down, lift the tip up. Slow down. Look at that, the tuber's not even on it.
It went up line, huh?
Tanner, slow down, it's a rainbow. That's it, dude, that's dinner. Oh, that's what it is, you got the other line. We've got both lines, that's... Slow down, bud, slow down, stop reeling.
Lift up your rod.
You gotta just stop the reeling sometime. Oh, that's a mess.
That's a real mess.
We better get him. There you go, bud. Just put your tip over by Grandpa and he'll help you. Okay, reel in a little. Reel in. There you go. Reel in.
Keep reeling.
Okay, lift up the tip now. There you go. Perfect. You know what you're doing now. Is it a rainbow?
No.
Ah, what'd you just say, Tan?
I'm tired.
That's good. All right, let's take a look at that sucker.
Oh,
Oh.
on the left.
I think that's the other one.
Was it?
No, that's good.
Is that a boat?
No. Oh, look at that. That's as big as the net, Tan.
Yeah, well then he's...
Look at that
You
thing.
got a tape measure? You ought to just put a tape measure on there. It's 20 inches.
Oh yeah, I don't have
19
it.
inches.
I don't have a
Go ahead and
tape.
lay it in there, bud.
That is a big fish, Tan man. That's as big as the opening on that net.
Go, run.
That is
Run,
a big
run.
old fish. Look at the size of that sucker. Woo!
Wow.
That is fun.
Way to go, Mr. T. Here. Yeah.
That thing chased it in.
All the way.
That was good. All right, buddy. Let's get these set back. Oh, look at this. You need the net, Dad? Oh, you got another. Oh, I guess your other one's tangled. Keep that tip up, Tan. Oh, that's a monster. Oh. Tip up. Stop going so hard. He's right here. Just bring him in. Point your tip over towards Grandpa for a sec. There you go. And then reel. Reel. And then bring it back my way. Lift it up. Oh my God!
He's a rainbow.
She's a big old cut. Look at the size of these suckers. He is a monster, dude.
He's a 22.
And of course, he ate the whole thing, Dad.
Is he a 22 incher?
Man, I bet he's 21.
Come on, let's start
Oh
getting
my
22,
God.
not 21.
Look at the size of that sucker, dude. What do you think?
Keep him. Let's see a net.
All right, let me get it. Slow
What the
down.
heck? He hasn't even been over here.
Hold on, Tim. Bring him this way.
Oh, he's just in the...
Oh. Ah! Bring him back. Oh, Chandler. Woo.
Is he a rainbow?
No. Look at that. That was in there for about a minute.
Wow.
What do you think, Tan? Oh, yeah, buddy. Tanner, fish on! Woo! Come get the net! Come get the net! Woo! We just can't seem to keep him off the line. Having a good day at Strawberry. It seems like every time that sun comes out from behind the clouds, we get boom, 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 hit after hit. I guess I better go help the old man. Tanner just is done, I guess, catching fish. He just didn't even want to reel this one in. It's like, it's okay. I caught a big piece of snow. I'm too far over. Where are you at? Why are you in such an awkward spot anyway? Oh.
This is that big black thing trying to get me. I'm not...
Jeez. Oh. Holy smokes.
Huh? Oh, good.
Oh. Look at that sucker.
He's a littler one.
Still nice fish.
Pretty fish.
Heck yeah. That's how we do it. Nice fish, man.
Woo, yeah!
Woo. Another one for the books. We just got another double on. Get a net. You got one? Oh, double.
He's a bull.
No, they're both cuts. Bring him over. Take this over to Grandpa, Tan. Let's show him. Come on. Take it over.
Look at this, man.
Double catch. Man, we've done that a few times today.
Woo-wee.
Put it
it
in
down.
the net.
Put it down.
Let's see how much
Look
inches
at that.
they are. Let's see if one's 22.
Whew.
They're not.
They're just good old
Here we
fish.
go.
Mine's not off the hook yet.
Wasn't it?
Nope. There he goes. There goes one. Want to let him go, Tan? Or...
Grandpa can.
All right. He's gonna slide again. There he goes.
Oh, yeah.
Man, what a catch!
Come over here, dude. Oh, that's a fat one.
Woo!
I don't think so.
That's 22.
Think so? Let's see. Right there is 12 inches. And right there is, you know, it could be pretty close.
All right, this might be the last fish of the day. You got to hold him up, Tan. Really, get him out of the net. Let's see him.
Oh my gosh.
This is what we've been catching all day. Monster cutthroats. Come on, dude. He's going to make it in the water if you're not careful. Hold 2 hands underneath him. You don't know what to do with that. That looks like a salmon. What are you going to do? Dude, hold him like a fish, not like a football. Here, let Grandpa help you.
What? And he didn't even move a muscle with you?
I think we've caught that one already today.
Hold it.
I remember that one.
Put your hands out.
Ready?
Oh, your hands.